And we're back to learning Gimp in the year, day 59. Let me show you how I can install brushes. You can see I've got these grass brushes installed, and by default you shouldn't find them in your brushes menu. It's because I've downloaded them and installed them a couple of months ago. But they're free brushes, you can find them right here on DeviantArt. Just type in Gimp grass brushes. And in general, you can just type in Gimp brushes and you find lots of examples. And let us simply pick a new one here, maybe these cracks. Sometimes be careful in the comments. Some people add a certain license, certain limits for the usage, but in this case, it's just a free download. So let me download it right here. By the way, you have to be logged in to DeviantArt to be able to download something, but it's a free account that you can just start. And then you can download, for example, this one. I'm going to link to it too. Extract it, and then you should be able to find the GBR files. So GBR, that's what you need for Gimp. Let me just pick the first one here, cracks 1, and then right click and use copy. You can also press Ctrl C for that. And now we have to paste it into our brushes folder for Gimp, and you can find that under Edit, Preferences. So go back to Gimp, open the Preferences, then scroll down until you can find the folders. Should be the last option here. Open the drop down, and there's a brushes option. By default, you should just see 2. Pick the one that's writables where the box is checked, and then click on this option right there. It's going to open the folder, and here you can pick brushes. Just paste it, Ctrl V. You can see our cracks 1. I've got it in the folder. Let me confirm here. And now use your brushes menu. If you can't see that, go to Windows, talk about dialogues, click on brushes. And there's a refresh option right there. And here we have our cracks 1, and it's actually just an intro name, so not really a crack. Let me install another one from the folder. So we go over that again. I open my cracks folder. The GBR file, as I've said, is the important one. Ctrl C to copy, get back to brushes folder, Ctrl V to paste, and then refresh the brushes menu. And the second one also has some text here. Let me go back. And this time, let me just install a couple, so from 3 to 10 maybe. I refresh, and here we have them. So these are these typical crack brushes. As I've said, sometimes the first ones, they're just an introduction, just kind of like an author brush, so that you know who did it, who created these brushes. You can simply delete them and then use the rest. And this you can install these custom brushes in Gimp. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.